So we can see this is one Seagate EB01. This is a firmware version AF pension hard drive. Let's see, the firmware arrow is locked. When it's locked and it's not possible to enter the firmware arrow, and the COM mode doesn't work. So let's check what has been done on this pension drive by the user. So it's empty this working directory. So the very first thing we need to do is to back up the ROM. Back up. So this is the ROM backup. So we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now we can see the ROM backup has been completed. Next, we need to generate this unlock ROM. Select our original ROM and this unlock ROM to write. Okay. Okay, now let's write this unlock ROM. Select this unlock ROM to write. Click write. Okay, so the software starts to write this unlock ROM. Okay, now the unlock ROM write has been successful. Next, we need to use the power off and power on the drive. Okay, send unlock key. Now we can see there are a lot of LBA read error. This can be caused by some major cache failure, so we can wait until this drive enters F3T prompt and make sure the firmware arrow has been unlocked successfully. We can come here, initialize as COM mode, and let's see. So here's a major cache. We need to untick it. We can tick this one. Click modify to write. Okay, operation success. At this time, we can try to power off and power on. Send unlock key. So we can see the LBA read error has disappeared. Let's re-enter the software and check the result. Now we can see the model list is available, and we can check the hex LBA. LBA is for the data error, and we can try to check, and it's 5588. This means the data error has been accessible, and we can try to check the ending part. To make sure the ending part of the data arrow is accessible a lot. So it's very slow here. And we can check 190 and confirm again. So this means the data arrow is already accessible. Only a very small part of the arrow is very slow. At this time, we can switch to the SATA 1, DFL, DDP data recovery software. Okay, select the same channel, SATA 1. Okay, this is SATA 1. Enter the DDP data recovery software. Now let's see, we can okay, let's set up one new project, file extraction. So we can see here all the lost folders, partitions, and files are available for data extraction. And there are some red arrows. This means the bad sectors. And it's better or suggested to image this pension drive by head and then extract lost files from the target VHD or the target image file. Thank you for watching this video.